Wake up in the morning feeling like Winehouse.
Hey, what up,
grab
girl?
my breezer, I'm out the door, I'm gonna be really loud.
Let's go.
Cause I don't care who I piss off, yeah, I'm a real big sinner. Sometimes I eat my dessert before my dinner. Talking odd socks on my toes, taking off all my clothes. Feeling overexposed, so I put back all of my clothes back on. Flush before I wee, get arrested daily. Trying to get a peek of some tits. I'm mad, really bad, but don't tell my mom and dad. Pucker up, kiss my butt, cause I'm bloody fucking not. Hear the bass, skinny waist, now let's copy poker face like whoa, whoa, oh, 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 whoa, oh, oh. I'm mad, really bad, but don't tell my mom and dad. Pucker up, kiss the nut, cause it sells to be a slut. Hear the bass, skinny waist, now let's copy poker face like whoa, whoa, oh, oh, whoa, whoa, oh, oh. I stay out till 11 when my curfew is 10.
Good night, sweetie, sleep well.
Shut up, mom, I'm on MSN. Now the girls are lining up because we're pussy sailing, but we punch them in the mouth if they're not Sarah Palin. Talk about doing things we'll regret. Menthol cigarette,
Butt plugs in his pet.
Whoa. Sex on my Samsung. Not telling dad mom wrong. Have sex with Alexa Chung by telling her I'm well hung. I'm quite well hung. I'm mad, really bad, but don't tell my mom and dad. Pucker up, kiss my butt, cause I'm bloody fucking not. Hear the bass, skinny waist, now let's copy poker face like whoa, whoa, oh, oh, whoa, whoa, oh, oh. I'm mad, really bad, but don't tell my mom and dad. Pucker up, kiss the nut, cause it sells to be a slut. Hear the bass, skinny waist, now let's copy poker face like whoa, whoa, oh, oh, whoa, whoa, oh, oh.
This is the part where the rap breaks down.
This is the part where the drums go pow.
This is the part where your balls sag down.
This is the part where your pants go brown.
This is the part where your dad goes off on a cold Christmas Eve to get some more milk. He never comes back, and 17 years later you find out that a whole fucking family is some Spanish bitch, and he doesn't even know your fucking name anymore.
Shut the fuck